Welcome to the Most Hub. In today's episode, we will explore some of the most opulent apartments in New York City, from penthouses with breathtaking views to sprawling lofts in Tribeca. Our first stop is the iconic 157 building on the 57th Street. This building is known for its stunning architecture and incredible views of the Central Park. As we step inside one of the most exclusive apartments in the building, we are greeted with a grand living room that's beautifully designed and decorated. The intricate details and stunning artworks add to the grandeur of this apartment. The living room is spacious, with light flooding in through the large windows. The room is furnished with plush sofas and armchairs, perfect for entertaining guests or relaxing after a long day of work. The room also features a fireplace, adding to the warm and inviting atmosphere. As we move towards the kitchen, we are impressed by the attention to detail. The kitchen is spacious with ample space to cook and entertain. The countertops are made of marble, adding to the luxurious feel of the space. The kitchen is equipped with the latest appliances, including a sub-zero fridge and a 6-burner stove. The bedroom is spacious and cozy, offering a peaceful retreat from the bustling city outside. The bed is king-size with the softest, most linen. This room features a large, stunning en-suite bathroom with a walk-in closet. While the bathroom deserves a special mention of its own, it's a spa-like oasis with stunning fixtures and finishes. It is spacious with marble flooring and walls. The bathtub is large enough to soak in and has a beautiful view of the New York skyline. The bathroom also features a walk-in shower and our favorite double sinks. Now next up is the iconic 432 Park Avenue building, which is one of the tallest residential buildings in the world. This building is located in the heart of Manhattan and offers stunning views of the city skyline. The apartment that we are exploring today is a lavish penthouse that spans over 8,200 square feet and features 6 bedrooms and about 7 bathrooms. As we step inside the apartment, we are greeted with a grand entrance hall that's decorated with exquisite marble floors and elegant chandeliers. The living room is so spacious with floor-to-ceiling windows that offer a panoramic view of the city skyline. The room is furnished with some gorgeous sofas and armchairs, perfect for entertaining guests or relaxing with the family. The dining room is adjacent to the living room and features a large table. The room is decorated with elegant wallpaper and of course art pieces that add to the sophistication of the space. The kitchen in this penthouse is out of a dream, with top-of-the-line appliances and ample space to cook and entertain. The kitchen features a large island for food preparation, a 6-burner stove and a sub-zero fridge. And the bedrooms of this penthouse are so spacious and luxurious with the soft and most comfortable linen. The master bedroom features a king-size bed, a large walk-in closet leading to an en-suite bathroom decorated with beautiful marble finishes. The penthouse also features a media room, a library and a home office. The media room is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including a large TV screen and surround sound. The library is a cozy space with comfortable seating, perfect for curling up with a good book. The building also offers exclusive amenities to its residents, including a 75-foot indoor swimming pool, a fitness center, and a private restaurant. Living in this penthouse is truly a luxurious experience that offers a lifestyle of comfort, elegance, and sophistication. Up next is the prestigious 15th Central Park West building, known for its stunning views and exclusive amenities. The building is home to some of the world's affluent and most powerful people. The building features a private screening room, a 75-foot lap pool, and a fitness center. The apartments in this building are just impressive. Spacious living rooms, stunning views, and impeccable design. The apartments feature high ceilings, large windows, and luxurious finishes. The kitchens are equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including a sub-zero fridge and 6-burner stove. The bedrooms are spacious and cozy, and the bathroom are spa-like oases with luxurious fixtures and finishes. One of the most exclusive and famous apartments in New York City is located in Tribeca, in Woolworth building. This building is known for its stunning architecture and history, as it was once the tallest building in the world. The apartment is a sprawling loft that spans over 8,000 square feet and offers breathtaking views of the New York skyline. The loft features high ceilings, exposed brick walls, and hardwood floors. The living room is so spacious with large windows that allow natural light to flood in through the space. The room is furnished with comfortable sofas and armchairs, perfect for relaxing after a long day. The kitchen in this loft is a chef's dream, with top-of-the-line appliances and ample space to cook and entertain. The kitchen features a sub-zero fridge, a 6-burner stove, and a large island for food preparation. The dining room is adjacent to the kitchen and features a large table. The bedrooms in this loft are spacious and luxurious. The loft features 4 bedrooms, each with its own en-suite bathroom. The bathrooms are spa-like oases with marble finishes and fixtures and deep soaking tubs. The loft also features a media room, a library, and a home office. As we conclude our tour of some of the most luxurious apartments in New York City, it's evident that these homes offer a lifestyle of opulence and luxury that's unmatched anywhere in the world. These apartments are designed and built with the highest standards of luxury and quality, offering residents a life of comfort and style. Living in one of these apartments is not just about the amenities or the stunning views. It's about the lifestyle and the exclusivity that comes with it. From the moment you step inside these apartments, you're transported into a world of luxury, elegance, and sophistication. We hope you enjoyed this tour of some of the most luxurious apartments in New York City. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and let us know what topics you would like to see us cover in the future videos.